Hi, and in today's video we are doing a marble accent nail tutorial. Coming up. Hi and welcome back to Salon Insiders. Today is a nail tutorial on a marble accent nail. If you're new to our channel, welcome. And if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss one of our videos. So we're going to start by placing our colours onto a tile. Just remember, if you use a normal nail polish, these are going to dry out quite quick, so don't put too much on there. This is just a simple tile, normal kitchen tile, and what we're going to do is we're going to be using a short fibred synthetic brush to just take up some of the dark grey, just to stipple a clouded effect on the nail. And what I'm doing now is just dragging the brush through the clouding just to give it a bit of direction. Next, we're going to take a fine striping brush, dip it into the black, and what you're going to do is you're going to draw short veins in one direction through the nail. I always start on the top right hand corner and make the longest one go through the centre. To remember as well, natural marble has veins that actually meet together, so that's why you can see right now that I'm making two of the veins connect in the middle, and what I'm going to do is actually bring that line further down a bit later. What I'm now doing is taking the brush with a little bit more polish on there, and I'm actually making some of the veins darker in different places, especially where they connect. So as you can see, I'm going in and really darkening up that V section. And also where the veins start, make those slightly darker also. And on the top right hand corner, as you can see where the vein ends, that's slightly darker. Get the tail just to taper out slightly and fade to a lighter grey. What I'm doing now is adding a shimmer or a glitter polish to the nail. I'm using a rose gold here, but you can use a silver, you can use a standard gold. It just happens to be what I had available at the time. And now we're just finishing off with a coat of top coat, just to make it nice and shiny, just before we go on to the other nail. The nail art brushes I used today were really inexpensive. In fact, I had them from Home Bargains if you're in the UK, and I think they cost me in the region of like £1, which is probably like $1.50. And I have to say, they're probably the best nail art brushes I think I've actually ever bought. And I bought some really expensive ones, but this striping brush is absolutely fantastic. And I must have had about 5 brushes in the pack for £1. It was absolutely ridiculous. Would like to know if you've ever tried this marble nail for yourself, or after watching this video, is this something you might consider giving a go? If you are, or if you have, then please let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. We upload every Friday. Don't forget to keep watching till the end for the reveal shots. Thanks for watching.